River Boyne flows not just through the land, but through the soul of a place, ancient, alive, unfolding like a whispered secret. Each step along its banks feels like a memory that doesn't belong to you. Branches lean in close, as if to listen to stories carried on the current. Just beyond a quiet bend in the river, where the Boyne glimmers like silver beneath the sky, stands a ruin with a memory too vast to hold in stone. Dunmoe Castle, a witness to time's gentle erosion. The abandoned locks crumble gently into the earth, iron and stone worn by decades of rain and memory. Once vital, now ghost-like, their purpose gone, but their presence still lingering. Walk slower, look longer, breathe deeper. They say the River Boyne was born from the well of wisdom, that its waters carry more than just rain, but dreams and truth and time itself. In the hush between the rustle of leaves, you begin to notice how the river mirrors you, calm, restless, always moving. Quiet crossing, arched in stone, worn by time and softened by moss and memory. Here, you don't need to speak. The river already understands. This path is not marked by signs, but by feelings. By the warmth of sunlight through trees and the cool of shadowed stone.